CFMOTO. Hello, my name is Regimantas. I am from CFMOTO Racing Team Service.
So after the second day, we in the 13th place. Adomas had technical problems, so he in the 7th place. But still we have 3 days to fight, still 3 days to walk on the track.
So third day of races. Today 150 kilometers of special stage, 2 special stage a day. And when we change the camp and going to night stage.
Stay with us, stay focused, and we believe that everything will be okay.
Today is a very fast day, like a Baja, long roads, full throttle, no navigation and no mistakes at navigation. So we reach the finish and going to next bivouac.
We finish it one more, a half day of one more day, because today we will have one more special stage, the night stage. 2 stages today was really fast and really dangerous. Not very difficult navigation, but we made some mistakes. Our team made some mistakes. We saw some crashes. So hope for other guys everything is okay. And don't want to talk about a result. We will see tomorrow what we made today, because I think everyone will get a lot of penalties.